In today's digital age, creativity meets technology in exciting ways, and one of the standout tools making waves is Canva AI. This innovative platform combines user-friendly design features with artificial intelligence, allowing anyone, from beginners to seasoned designers, to create stunning visuals effortlessly. But did you know that Canva AI can also be a powerful tool for generating income? Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone looking to monetize your creative skills, Canva AI opens up a world of possibilities. In this video, we'll explore how you can leverage Canva AI to create eye-catching graphics, social media posts, and marketing materials that not only showcase your talent but also attract clients and customers. The potential for income generation is immense, especially as more businesses seek to enhance their online presence with high-quality visuals. As we dive deeper, we'll discuss the importance of embracing technology in creative entrepreneurship. In a competitive market, utilizing tools like Canva AI can set you apart, streamline your workflow, and ultimately boost your earnings. So, if you're ready to unlock your creative potential and discover how to make money with Canva AI, stick around. This journey could be the key to transforming your passion into profit. Understanding Canva AI. Canva AI is an advanced design tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to simplify the creative process. At its core, Canva AI offers a range of features that facilitate design, including smart templates, automated image suggestions, and text generation. These features allow users to create professional quality graphics without needing extensive design skills or experience. One of the standout aspects of Canva AI is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be accessible for everyone, whether you're a complete novice or a seasoned designer. With drag-and-drop functionality and intuitive navigation, users can easily find the tools they need to bring their ideas to life. This accessibility encourages creativity, allowing anyone to dive into design projects with confidence. Moreover, the integration of AI enhances both creativity and efficiency. For instance, Canva AI can analyze your design preferences and suggest elements that align with your style, saving you time and effort. It can also automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on the more creative aspects of your projects. By streamlining the design process, Canva AI empowers users to produce high-quality work quickly, making it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to elevate their design game. Identifying income opportunities. When it comes to monetizing your skills with Canva AI, the possibilities are vast and varied. One of the most popular income streams is freelance design. Many businesses and individuals are constantly in need of eye-catching graphics for social media, websites, and marketing materials. By offering your design services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, you can tap into this demand and earn money while showcasing your creativity. Another lucrative option is print on demand. With Canva AI, you can create unique designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Once your designs are ready, you can partner with print-on-demand services that handle production and shipping, allowing you to earn passive income without the hassle of inventory management. Digital products are also a fantastic way to monetize your skills. Think about creating templates, ebooks, or online courses that teach others how to use Canva AI effectively. These products can be sold on your website or platforms like Etsy, providing a steady stream of income. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to select a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This focus will help you stand out in a crowded market. So, get creative and think about what unique offerings you can provide. Your skills combined with Canva AI can lead to exciting income opportunities. Creating marketable designs. Creating appealing designs that sell requires a solid understanding of design principles and current trends. Start by focusing on key design elements such as balance, contrast, and alignment. These principles help create visually appealing compositions that draw the eye. Additionally, staying updated on design trends, like minimalism, bold typography, or vibrant color palettes, can give your work a contemporary edge that attracts customers. High-quality visuals are essential in today's competitive market. Ensure that your images are crisp and clear, and use high-resolution graphics to maintain professionalism. Consistent branding is equally important. Develop a cohesive style that reflects your unique identity. This could include a specific color scheme, font choices, or design motifs that resonate with your target audience. Strong branding not only enhances recognition but also builds trust with potential customers. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and formats. Canva AI offers a plethora of templates and design options, allowing you to try out various aesthetics. Whether it's creating social media graphics, infographics, or promotional materials, exploring different formats can help you discover what resonates best with your audience. Remember, the more you experiment, the more you'll refine your skills and find your niche. So, unleash your creativity and start crafting designs that not only look great but also sell. Promoting your work. When it comes to marketing the designs you create with Canva AI, leveraging social media platforms can be incredibly effective. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are visual-centric, making them ideal for showcasing your work. Share your designs regularly, use relevant hashtags, and engage with your audience to build a following. Consider creating short videos or reels that highlight your design process, as this can captivate viewers and encourage them to share your content. Building an online portfolio is another crucial strategy for promoting your work. A well-curated portfolio not only showcases your best designs but also demonstrates your versatility and style. Use platforms like Behance or create your own website to display your projects. This serves as a professional space where potential clients can easily view your work and understand your capabilities. Networking with other creators and potential clients is equally important. Join online communities, forums, or social media groups related to design and entrepreneurship. Engaging with fellow creators can lead to collaborations, referrals, and valuable feedback. Attend virtual workshops or local events to connect with potential clients who may be looking for design services. By actively promoting your work and building relationships within the creative community, you can significantly enhance your visibility and open doors to new opportunities. Scaling your business. Growing and scaling a design business using Canva AI involves strategic planning and a willingness to adapt. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by diversifying your income streams. Instead of relying solely on freelance projects, consider offering a mix of services such as digital products, online courses, or subscription-based design templates. This not only increases your earning potential but also provides stability, as you won't be dependent on a single source of income. In addition to diversifying, utilizing automation tools can significantly streamline your processes. Tools like Zapier or social media scheduling apps can help automate repetitive tasks, such as posting your designs or managing client communications. By freeing up time spent on administrative duties, you can focus more on creative work and client relationships, ultimately leading to business growth. Continuous learning and adaptation are also crucial in the ever-evolving design landscape. Stay updated on industry trends, new features in Canva AI, and emerging design techniques. Consider enrolling in online courses or attending webinars to enhance your skills and knowledge. By being proactive in your learning, you can better meet the changing needs of your clients and stay ahead of the competition. Embrace these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to scaling your design business successfully. In this video, we've explored the incredible potential of Canva AI as a powerful tool for generating income. From freelance design opportunities to creating digital products and engaging in print-on-demand services, the avenues for monetizing your creative skills are vast. We discussed the importance of selecting a niche, creating marketable designs, and promoting your work effectively through social media and networking. We also highlighted the benefits of diversifying your income streams and utilizing automation tools to streamline your processes, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating stunning designs. Continuous learning and adaptation to market changes are essential for staying competitive and meeting the evolving needs of your clients. Now it's time for you to take action. Start applying the strategies we've shared today to unlock your potential with Canva AI. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your existing business, there's no better time to dive in and explore the opportunities that await you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with Canva AI. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.